In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change your region in the App Store so you can actually download apps which are not available in your specific App Store or country. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, in order to change your App Store country, all we need to do is tap here to open up App Store. Next up, you wanna tap at the top right corner where you do have your logo over there, your picture, right? Next up, we'll simply tap in here on your specific account. It's going to bring you all the way to your iCloud settings here. Under settings, position your Face ID or type in the passcode to unlock, and then simply tap in here in country or region, and then you need to follow up here the wizard to change your country. For example, I'm going to change my region all the way to United States. Here we go, tap on US, continue, and you'll be good to go with the next and next steps. Now in my case, I'm unable to change my region because I still have some balance in my Apple Wallet, in my wallet in here, which is in a different currency, and that wouldn't work or wouldn't sync with the US marketplace or App Store region. So in that case, I need to finish my money first, and then I'm gonna change to the US country. So right now I won't do that because I also have a running subscription in here that also matters. If you have a running subscription, you also need to cancel that subscription and then restart it in the new region, because the thing is, payment methods are different when you change from one country to the other. The amount of the subscription is also different, as well as the currency used, of course, will be different. So costs vary from country to country, so that's why you cannot shift from one to the other one without finishing all the pending bills in the previous one. And please be ready, because you're gonna need actually a new billing address and new payment methods which are actually related to that specific country. This is how easy you can actually switch from one country to the other or one region to the other within your App Store. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.